Hi, and welcome to DIY with Ashley. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make bows out of tulle 2 different ways. The supplies you'll need for this DIY are 6-inch wide tulle on a roll, thread, a pencil and a measuring tape or a ruler, scissors, as well as scrap cardboard, and a hot glue gun. So before we begin, we need to create our template. Our template size is going to vary based on the size you want your bow. So we know the height is 6 inches because we're using a 6-inch wide roll of tulle, so that won't really matter. What's going to matter is the width. So you'll have to figure out how wide you want your bow, and then the height is going to be a little bit taller than your 6 inches. For mine, I made mine 9.5. And then you'll see we have this kind of cut out here. That's going to come into play when we slide our bow down and use this section to pull the tulle down so that we could tie the center. So this section here is about 3 inches across and 3.5 inches high. So once you've determined how wide you want your bow, you can go ahead and start drawing out your template and assembling it. Now that we have our template, we can grab our tulle and start wrapping it around the top part of the template. The more tulle you wrap around, the fluffier your bow will be. After you have enough tulle wrapped around, you can go ahead and cut your end. Holding the sides of your tulle, start sliding it down your template. Try not to distort your tulle as you slide it down the template. Once you have your tulle moved to the lower part, you can grab a thread and tie the center of your bow. After you have the center tied, you can go ahead and cut a piece of tulle and cover that thread and cut the ends off so that it matches the ends of the bow. Then slide the rest of your bow off and you're done. The second version of this bow is similar to the first, so we're going to take our template and start wrapping our tulle around it. Keep wrapping until you have a good amount on there, then cut off the end. Again, we're going to slide the tulle bow down so that we could tie the center. Again, we're going to use some thread to tie the center of the bow. And once we're done tying the thread on, we can take some extra tulle and tie the bow in the middle to cover up that thread. Then we'll take our scissors and cut the sides of the bow. These bows are great for headbands, hair clips, dress embellishments, or using for home decor. And now that it's Easter, you can even put them on Easter baskets. How cute are they? Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave so that you don't miss out on any of my future tutorials. And to my current subscribers, thank you so much for being a part of my DIY family. I love you all, and I'll see you next time.